Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Let's break it down the local updates for Injective with my customer set. Guys, global spot accumulation block still in place. So it's absolutely the same block where was main accumulation of this token. And sooner or later, I guess we can come back to that block. Or now, if we drop now from $4.54 to $2.26 minus 50%, it means the cycle will be extended in time for Injective. So, I mark the potential direction for this token, but would be good to see the move by this direction from current prices. Because if we going down now into accumulation block, I guess this target will be reached approximately in 2027, 2028. So if not now, if we're not moving now in this year to this target, it's of course daily time frame and weekly time frame, it looks not so horrible, right? So if we're not moving from these current prices to that 2025 yearly open target, so it's approximately like $35.77, and the main target, I guess, will be $37.34, because I don't think so the Injective will reach a new all-time high this cycle. Not this cycle, this year, let's be honest, because the cycles, I guess, never exist even. So it was just a myth, because now just 2 times we saw the pattern, like a four-year cycle, this one for BTC, and everybody waiting the same story like with Zone 21. But now even the BTC not repeat itself the 4-year cycle. So what we can talk about altcoins. So this is a potential scenario for Zone 26. And of course, I mark just hypothetical target by time, like January 27. So it could be the November 26, for example. It's most positive case scenario. Negative case scenario, guys, if from now we drop to the accumulation block and consolidate, I don't know, year or two, like we did here in Zone 22, made Zone 22 till January 23. So it will be so horrible scenario if we crash it down here and accumulate till, I don't know, January 27. After that, start climbing up and only in Zone 28 maybe reach the target. So this is going to be the horrible scenario because we're going to waste the time again. Congrats everybody who fixed the profit. I remember when the crypto wizard and many other influencer, I guess, who was paid to shield the Injective here, screaming, we go into the moon, it's time to buy because the $70, the $100, it's so predictable, and we skyrocket to the moon. It's just the beginning. How it could be the beginning at $35, I have no idea. If the token traded at $1, right, just a year ago, and people made insane gains. How you could shield the token to buy the deep at $30 if it's not a deep? The deep is here. All right, but anyway, so this is the best scenario, for Zone 26. We got a huge order block on a weekly time frame. We get a monthly gap, and the monthly gap and the weekly favorable gap, 2 gaps like a target. But honestly, I don't like the situation now between the United States and Iran. And of course, usually it can play out like the positive for the crypto, because the people will start selling in a panic at the dollars and trying to find some other assets. But I don't think so that people will buy in the gold, because the gold at all-time high. So if we talk about a risk ratio now, maybe the people will focus more on the BTC and altcoins, some altcoins. So that's why, guys, let's focus now on local zones. We're more than okay to buy back Injective. So let's hide the global FIPS. And let's keep the main accumulation block. So this one. First trouble area, it's a weekly, monthly favorable gap. So we're gonna accumulation block and a monthly favorable gap. And if we're gonna drop to this block, it's gonna be pretty hard. It's, yes, 50% down. So imagine if you're not ready to see the 50% drop on your portfolio, spot portfolio, just skip the token. Just better skip the token. Honestly, I don't see any reason why we have to drop so low again, and I hope we will not. We already closed the over the 61 level by FIP of this weak candle of the Donald Trump dump. So the main support now, it looks like $3.98, $3.55. If we not hold some of this level, guys, yes, it's so obvious, so we can drop once again into accumulation zone. And it will be the horrible scenario if we drop to that accumulation block and spend one more year just on a sideway. It's going to be just amazing and annoying time. All right, the bullish target, guys, it's a monthly gap. It's 888. So if you want to buy now, for example, up to your own risk, 450A4, you buy now, and at 9, guys, withdraw the initial deposit. It will be not a mistake. So here, 11, 13, and 8, $9. So if you want to buy now, up to your own risk, guys, here after this move, it's not a mistake to sell the 50% of the tokens on a spot. So you took off from the market your initial money. And you get like 50% of the free money from the air. And you don't care if it's go to zero, you don't care if it's go to the moon, you'll be happy. So this is a strategy. Now, let's take a look, guys, with my customer cassette on the local zones. By the way, I'll recommend you use the dashboard, just a brand new indicator, what I released recently. So market mood on a daily time frame in disbelief is good one. Trade on neutral, ADZ in 4-hour time frame, middle zone lower. All right. So this is ADZ on a daily. So technically it's a accumulation. Here's accumulation. Now we on the middle zone. It's technically also accumulation, but the worst case scenario, guys, can be if we start form the huge divergence. And in this case, yes, this divergence can play out even to the accumulation block. I will start looking, just to be honest, I will start looking some position maybe for Injective, not even a spot, just futures only in this block. Until we not target this block, I'm just skip this token. And I will be happy for the people who want to take a risk now, and they will rocket to the moon with the Injective. Injective supply squeeze, doubling token deflation. Maybe it's help, maybe not. We will see. Injective community passes governance vote to slash Injective token supply. I have no idea why all of this stories about let's reduce the supply. Let's reduce the 50% of supply. Let's reduce the 25% of supply. All of these votes of the governance, why it happen when the token crash it down? Why you can't just run the token with normal tokenomics and normal supply at the beginning? Why? What's the problem? So now, when they try to reduce supply, it looks like they don't have any other options to put the price higher because there is no hope from the investors. So they try to sell you the news like, oh, we now reduce the supply. And because of reducing the supply, the price of the token should skyrocket to the moon. But it doesn't work like this one. If there is no liquidity, if there is no new fresh money, the supply reducing is not help. It's not an option. Direction here was at the bottom, some accumulation, now nothing. Weekly time frame, some signals of accumulation appear now, finally. Last one, it was here, March 75 till May 75. So from approximately $6.63, we pump it to 16. Now we see the same signals. That's why I repeat again, if we will see some bounces like here, this one, and drop, it can be this story. Fulfill the monthly gap and drop into the accumulation block. Also will be a horrible scenario. Yes, because we're going to waste the time. That's why now on a 12 time frame, no accumulation yet. Unfortunately, guys. Let's take a look at the market mood. It's disbelief on 12 time frame, daily time frame, it's disbelief. Weekly time frame, it's total capitulation, it's good one. Monthly time frame, it's disbelief. And I don't like this type of monthly candles. It's so bad, looks so bad, guys. And I have no idea how the people at $30 shield the Injective is just the beginning. And also this like accumulation block, it's like a magnet because here the monthly gap, it's $1.79. Wow, it looks horrible. You know why it's horrible? Because if Injective dropped 50%, so I can imagine what will be with other altcoins. So I hope we'll drop to that block later, not on 786. Market mood, so technically now it's in disbelief, but I'm skip. I'm skip. For me, it's not enough reason to buy. Some money inflow being here in January 20, 4 years ago, 4 days ago, 4 years ago. Now nothing. All right. Weekly, some money inflow was here at November at $5.19. Maybe some whales stuck in the stock, or they accumulate with DCA. 12 time frame also no accumulation, no money inflow, no new money into Injective. That's a problem. Trade on, buy, sell, take profit from the buy here, sell, buy back. Let's add alert to the take profit from the buy, from the sell. So I'm waiting the signal to close the short positions. Daily, there is no signal to buy or take profit. There is also like neutral. So once again, guys, the most crucial moment is now. We should hold the line at $4.17, because if not, we drop to $3.99, and after that, the road can be open to the accumulation block. That's why if you're not ready to see the 50% drop, just better skip the talking. Also, take a look, guys. Take profit indicator showing us 383. It's the buy line under the daily time frame. It's so sad. Take profit line 757, exit line 856. And for the net value of the token, we got like price and the value. On the daily time frame, it's 286. 12 time frame also looks so bad. Buy line 328 for the net value 248. Take profit line 658, exit line 737. Weekly time frame. It's only one and only the positive signal now. So we underrated. We so underrated, but we trade long-term period on the fundamental volume. Last time when we traded here on the fundamental volume, since the indicator data exists, it's June 2022 till January 2023. We start climbing up to the top. So now we trade since October 2025, and now it's January 2026. So the best option, guys, for Injective to start climbing up to the top now to test fundamental value on the weekly 770. First one, close the monthly gap, test the take profit line 2052, exit line 2292. Also in an option, we can form like 3 drives pattern, but down like 1, 2, it can be the bounce, and everybody's screaming we to go into the moon, but we rejected this block and crashed it down into accumulation block. But guys, once again, based on the risk management, it's not a bad idea to fix your initial deposit after 100%. So don't be so greedy. For example, if we bounce from these current prices to $10, you withdraw initial deposit, and with the free tokens, right? So with the 50%, you could make it 359%, or even the 400. So of course you miss like 200% gains, but you save your initial deposit and not stock like 50% in losses. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what you think about Injective in general. If you would like to trade with my customer set and at the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.